I just don't want it to stop, Nancy.
I know. We're both. I almost started singing.
Me too, but I forgot the words. Good morning, Nancy.
Good morning, Lisa. It's so fun to see each other on this, especially after the intro. So anyway.
I know. It puts us in such a good mood. Such a good mood.
It does.
Good morning,
we need
everybody.
to thank Steve for that.
Yes,
good morning, everyone. Cheers. Got my coffee.
I got my water. What do you guys have? Drop it in the comments. Are you on your first or second or 10th cup of coffee? Or are you a water girl like me? Maybe they're tea, Nancy. Some people do tea in the morning.
Some people love tea, yeah. And I've heard some people, a best friend of mine drinks chocolate milk in the morning. That's her coffee.
Yeah, I think not. Good morning, Scott.
Pepsi. Yes, he's a Pepsi guy.
Got my Pepsi. He is. Okay, no, wait a minute. He just came back. He says, and my water.
Very good. Very good. I drink water after I finish my coffee. I have 2 coffees in the morning.
Absolutely.
Yes. Good morning.
I'm not a coffee person. Good morning, PJ. How are you? And also, good morning to Diane.
Diane's a coffee drinker and a tea drinker.
So is Diane a Michigan person?
Yes, she is.
Oh,
she's a great friend of mine.
Guys, we are so excited to have Nancy McNally here, the designer of this amazing quilt called Woodland Christmas. You can see it behind her, and here is an up-close picture of it, if you will. Nancy, we're starting next Monday, right?
Yes, we get to start piecing it together. Hey, Diane.
So we have a Diane in Michigan and a Diane in South Carolina. We're rocking the Dianes for sure.
We are. Yes.
And PJ says she is ready to sew. So let's talk about being ready to sew. So Nancy, what block are we starting next Monday? Our very first session, what block?
All right, we're going to begin with the very center star block, the big one in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I will have, thank you, Lisa. I will have 3 corners and 3 star points already made, and I will make 1 corner on camera and 1 star point on camera, and then we'll pull the center together, and then we can pull the whole block together. So you can together. Hi, Kelly. So
good morning, Miss Kelly. How are you?
I might have to do this again. People are probably signing on a few minutes late. But again, we're going to start in the center. You can sew along with me, or you can watch and take notes if you need to take notes. Okay. Sometimes that's better to watch it first and then, come back later and make it. So like I said before, I will already have, 3 of the corner units together. Can you hold the picture back up, Lisa?
Yes. I'm Hervana.
All right, there you go. So it's the center star again. I will have 3 of the corners made, and then I will make 1 on camera. And then I will have 3 of the star points made, and I'll make 1 on camera. And then we'll do the center, which is, some people call it a snowball block. Some people call it a square and a square. It's just that center portion. So we can do that together, and or, like I said before, you can take notes and then come back and sew later or right when we're done. And hopefully the way we've got this laid out, you will be able to finish each section as we go along till August. Hi, Bonnie. So
interjecting. Nancy's right. As we're doing the live sew along, if you guys don't want to sew during that time and just absorb the knowledge, the great thing is you will be able to go back to Nancy's YouTube channel. You'll be able to go back to Sewendipitous YouTube channel and watch these videos at anytime. So if you want to take notes during the live, ask your questions. It is a great time to ask questions during the live because you got Nancy that designed the pattern right at your disposal. Now, if you make or have questions after the fact, you can put them in the comments on Nancy's social media underneath the video, or Serendipitous in the comments underneath the video. We will get those answered, but there's nothing like being able to ask the question to the pattern designer live. Good morning, Miss Bonnie Sick up in New York, which she's on her way to South Carolina soon.
Oh,
So super happy about that. Good morning, Miss Mary.
How are Mary?
You? She says she is excited to begin, Nancy.
I know. I'm excited to begin it too. And guess who's here to visit us? Just guess. Oh, look, there's a tail to It's Mr. Bruce. Here he is. Look, hopefully when we videotape this, I'll be in that room over there and he will not be able to, well, he will jump up, but I'll have his bed handy. Oh, okay, here he goes. Do not lay on my keyboard, cat. There we go. He likes to, first he'll lay to my left on my keyboard or on my cell phone, and then he will, whoops, Lisa, for some reason it just went to me. Did you mean to do that or did I do that? Stop it, Bruce. So there we go. Anyway, so hopefully, there you go. Now she's back. I don't know what happened. There. Okay. Bruce is being a pain, just to be honest.
I'm going to blame Bruce. He kicked me out.
He might have, because he laid down right next to the keyboard.
Bruce kicked me out.
Yep. So anyway, so
guys,
I'll be in the other room.
Bruce will be locked.
He won't be able to.
Did you hear me?
No, I couldn't.
Bruce is going to be locked out when we do our real live videos of.
Oh, we're locking a cat out, and his litter box is down here. So I don't know if that's a good idea. Anyway, so on my screen, Lisa, you're frozen. There you go. Scott says, hi, Brucey. Look, you're famous. Big old boy. So, hey, Kathy Raymond. Kathy is another friend of mine. She's a Michigander.
A Michigander. Good morning, yes, Sue.
And you have to say it as a Michigan person would, and it's a Michigander. You got it. So, all right, for those of you just signing on, next week, or Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern, we are starting on the center block. So have everything. Thank you, Lisa. I will make one of the corner blocks on camera. I'll make one star block or star point on camera. The others will already be made, and I'll also make the center. So make sure if you're going to sew along with this, go ahead and have everything cut. If you're not going to sew along and you want to take notes, then make sure you are ready to take notes. You can have your pattern there and take notes right on the pattern pages. Also, if you take notes, or even if you want to just come back and watch it again, it's going to be on my YouTube channel, which is, if you're watching from there now, it's my YouTube channel name is at Nancy McNally 3779. So jot that down if you need to. Otherwise, the links are in the pattern, I believe. So you can also reach out to me if you need to. So
okay,
have everything
I'm
ready
going to
go right ahead.
I'm going to interject real quick. So first of all, before I interject, good morning, Miss Glenda. Good to see you. And I am sorry, guys, I keep coughing. I've got allergies out the wazoo this morning. I'm not sure why. But so Angela Smith asked, how do we get the pattern? So good question. You're going to go to either NancyMcNallyQuilts.com to get the pattern, or you are going to go to Serendipitous.com and get the pattern. You guys can buy just the pattern and pull from your stash, or go to your local quilt shop and get what fabrics you need. Or Nancy and I both, it's so funny, we had the exact number of kits and we ended up at the end with the exact number of kits. So she has one and I have one. You can get those. You can either get one for me on my website or Nancy at NancyMcNallyQuilts.com. Did I say it right, Nancy?
Yes, thank you.
Or serendipitous.
Nancy McNally quilts.
Those are
Nancy McNally quilts.
yes.
Yeah, sorry.
.com. Those are the last 2 quilt kits. Now, if someone wants a kit after we sell these 2, Nancy and I will make sure you get a quilt, but you will not obviously have it before the 14th of July because we would be able to make more up. We're partnered with Liz and Irene Fabrics on this, so shout out to them, right, Nancy?
Woohoo! Yes. Yeah, and we are actually waiting for more fabric to come in so that we can make more kits if we need to, because we love that fabric. We love their fabric. Yes. Hi, Glenda. Thank you, Glenda. I forgot what I was going to say. Darn. Oh, if you order the pattern alone from my website, it's a PDF download. So Lisa's is, I believe, physically mail it to you, right? Or is it? Do you have it as a PDF download? I don't remember what we did. It's you mail the pattern,
physical
right?
only.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And guys, we are going to wrap up here in just a few minutes. Hey, Christine. So just a reminder, Nancy, when are we starting the first block and what time are we starting the first block?
All right. Our first block is going to be the Center Star block, and it will be on July 14th, a week from today, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sorry. Yeah. Bruce is really not going to be allowed to do
we love it.
Thank you. He just knocked something off my desk.
No.
Yeah.
Bruce really is getting locked out. We have made strong orders. People say they get distracted. So real quick, Nancy, we got another comment. Thank you, Lisa, for sending the physical pattern. PDFs can be difficult for beginner skills. You know, yes, if you get the PDF, you can print it out, but I'm a tangible girl, Mary. I like to make my notes, just like Nancy said, make my notes for sure. Yeah, but PDFs are great for last minute because you can, get them and download them and, print them out if you have print capability. If you don't have print capability, once again, you can go to either one of our sites and get the physical copy. So with that being said, Nancy, I don't think there's that much other than everybody get ready for next Monday.
I know. I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. So it's going to be fun seeing everybody. And then I hope that everybody, as you make your blocks, if you would show them on social media and tag both Lisa and I, so we can see, maybe you didn't do the colors, or the fabric, the kit, I'll get it right in a minute, and you chose your own colors. I would love to see the colors that you are choosing. Yes. So please, excuse me, make sure you post it and tag both of us so that we can see it. You can also send it to me through Facebook Messenger. So, because I'll see it. So are you,
absolutely. No, yes, definitely post those on social media so we can see. Scott Flanagan of 4th and Main Designs is stirring the pot as usual. Yes, he says, are you making one along with us, Lisa? Yeah, he's always stirring the pot for me. But yes, Scott Flanagan, I am going to make one just so I can give Nancy a hard time. It is one of my favorite things to do is to harass Nancy and safely harass. So yes, I am. And PJ says, just bought the PDF. Woo, woo, way to go, PJ. I'll be in my PJs probably on Monday. I'm just saying. Lisa. And then Lisa Warren says, good morning, everybody. Lisa Warren is one of our serendipitous team members. We are so lucky to have her. So great to be on. But Scott, I will say before we go, Diane Quirk is on here. I think that's who you need to ask because she is such a stripology girl, and she's used to a good watch. I'm just saying.
I want to see what Diane makes.
Okay, Scott says I'm going to attempt to make it. Me too. Me too. Not so much room to talk, he says. Exactly.
Yeah.
Guys, we love you. Nancy, thank you for creating such a beautiful pattern, great design, and
Thank you.
doing this so long with all of us.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Cut your
Here it is.
fabric on this block.
There you go.
Next
That's the one we're going to do.
9 a.m. Okay,
Mhm.
Nancy, are you ready to dance with the music?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. We will see you all later. Don't forget
Next
NancyMcNallyQuilts.com, sewindipendence.com for all your purchases, or you can message us and we will assist you. See you later,
Absolutely.
guys.
All right. Bye, everyone.